90% of traders lose money, not because the market is wrong, but because they don't know how to trade profitably. I was also one of them initially when I started trading. Every time I hit stop loss because of wrong calculations, but not anymore. And I will share this with you also today. In this video, I'm going to break down step by step how you can actually trade profitably in the stock market. I am sharing this from my experiences and how I took trade that turned me into profitable trader. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel. We are building trading community so that you can trade profitably. Let's learn together and stay till the end, because I'll reveal the 3 golden rules that professional traders never ignore. Before we talk about profits, let's talk about mindset. Trading is not gambling. It's a skill. And like any skill, you need discipline, patience, and a clear system. The first mistake most traders make is trying to make quick money. They jump into random stocks because they heard someone say, "This stock will fly." But profitable traders think differently. They focus on probabilities, not predictions. So, step 1, change your mindset from "I want to make money fast" to "I want to trade with consistency." Second step is to understand what you're trading. Are you a stock trader, an index trader, or do you prefer options? Each instrument behaves differently. Stocks move because of company news, quarterly results, and investor demand. Index moves because of the broader economy. Options move due to time, volatility, and price movement. A profitable trader knows what drives their instrument. So, before you enter any trade, ask yourself what's moving this stock or index today. What really matters is when to enter and when to exit. Here's the formula every successful trader follows. Find a setup, a technical or data-based reason to enter. Set a stop loss. Decide where you'll exit if the trade goes wrong. Set a target, where you'll book profit. Never enter a trade without a plan. For example, if you're trading based on moving averages, wait for the crossover confirmation. If you're using option chain analysis, confirm with open interest and PCR ratio. Remember, a bad trade with a good exit is better than a good trade with no exit plan. Also, risk is the backbone of profitability. Even the best traders lose trades, but they control their losses. Here's a simple rule. Never risk more than 2% of your total capital in one trade. If you have 1 lakh rupees, your loss in one trade should not exceed 2,000 rupees. It might sound small, but that's how professionals survive in the long run. Because remember, the goal is not to win every trade. The goal is to protect your capital and let profits grow slowly. Trading profitably is 50% technical and 50% psychological. You can have the best strategy in the world, but if you can't control emotions, greed, and fear, you'll still lose. When the market moves against you, do you panic? When you make profit, do you overtrade? The key is to trade with data, not emotions. Use indicators as confirmation tools, not decision makers. And remember, your biggest enemy in trading is not the market, it's your own emotions. That brings me to the 3 golden rules that make all the difference. Rule number 1, trade with a plan. Never enter blind. Rule number 2, protect your capital. Small losses are okay, big losses are not. Rule number 3, keep a trading journal. Write down every trade, reason, and result. These 3 rules sound simple, but following them consistently separates professionals from beginners. So if you really want to trade profitably, start with the right mindset, manage your risk, and build consistency. If you found this video valuable, hit the like button and subscribe to Eagle Eye Stocks for more simple and powerful trading insights. See you in the next video.